Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn a normal photo into an aesthetic Parisian postcard in just 1 minute. First just open ChatGPT and then tap on menu icon, this one, and then go to images, this one, and then next just choose the Parisian postcard on the style sections, this one, and then next just upload or choose your photo that you want to transform, or you can also take a new selfie from your camera. In here I will just upload a photo from my gallery, and then next just choose your photo like this, and then when you're done just tap on done and wait for the process. And okay, like this, your photo is now transformed into a beautiful Parisian style postcard with vintage and elegant looks like this. It's so beautiful. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.